I'm very excited today to talk about BuilderMetrix for Excel, which is our new Excel plugin to help builders access all of their home building data. BuilderMetrix is our standardized data model that enables all users to be able to bring all of their data in a standardized fashion back into Excel. A couple of things that make us unique is that we provide SSO authentication. You no longer have to log on to a particular server to access your data. All of your roles are controlled to be able to allow specific users for accounting, for example, to access specific analyzers, while other users may get access to POs or things like that. It's all about creating accessibility to data, and then you're able to take all of the data and use Excel in its native format, extending it to be able to create formulas and different models that you can then save back to our cloud so that you never lose a file and you can share it just the same too.